No, you are better. Can you play with me? Not
You want to go get your dolls and stuff that you left here? They're by the door. You want to play with those? What you got, Logie? Surprise.
Okay, Papa, move this. It's like KK. Gotta be neat.
Papa will have to show you how that works.
What is that?
It's a choo-choo whistle.
Help you?
It goes hoo-hoo like a choo-choo train. It does hoo-hoo like a choo-choo. Papa will show you.
Stuck.
Here, Larry, use a pencil to poke it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
This can come out.
The train goes.
No, this can come out. Okay.
Yeah, blow. Go.
Okay, that one.
It's a choo-choo whistle. Wow.
Blow in here.
It's beautiful, Alice.
Yeah, that's a good boy. Blow harder. Do it harder. Good. Good. Here, blow. Good. Kind of. Logan, do it. Ready?
Here you go.
Wow, a
Should I make some tea?
train sound.
If you want to make tea, watch. You can put real water in here.
Do you want me to put water in there? Or
And
would you like me to put some water in there?
this is chocolate. But if Logan touches it, he'll put his mouth.
Logan, that's a tea party. Alice has a tea party.
But I can't touch because he'll put his mouth. It's not glass, but you can't drop it. Glass will break.
Should we put some water in it though so we can have it? Tea?